guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're opening some Smiggle stuff. So there's this bag. It's well, let's say here's the bottle. We don't need this, don't we? We don't. So we'll put this away right there. So let's get started. Right, if you guess what it is some erasers, some say juicy scented eraser. So here, there they are. Here they are, Smiggle, from Smiggle, not something else. Erasers not edible. This is not a toy. Warning. Not suitable for children under 3 years. Contains small parts. Choking hazard. Suitable for ages 6 and up. Here it is. So yeah, I can't wait. Let's get started to unbox this. Let's see. They're actually pretty cool, guys. Look. So the first pack, which we're going to open it, is called Juicy Strawberry Erasers. Yeah, Smiggle. That's here. That's here. Let's get started. I can't wait to smell this. I'm not gonna break it because then I can put it back in. So I'm not gonna do that. Wow. There, these are little pieces. I guess they're not bad. Say, I didn't expect this. These. Oh, I'll show one of them. Here they are. So yeah, I'm gonna put this back and I'm gonna bring this at school or put it in my thing with them. Not sure. Not gonna bring everyone. I'm gonna bring my best friend, which I like the most. I don't know. So yeah, guys, wait a second. Okay, guys. So, what are we doing right now? So here, let's bring this in again. Let's close that there. And now let's go and open this juicy grape erasers or erasers. Tell me in the comment down below how you say it. The fresh grape scent. Do not eat. And it also says do not eat. So ready? These are so good. Love these. Sorry at the background. It's just my mum. Here they are. They're so good, guys. They're inside there. I'm not gonna take them all out. Here they are. They're actually pretty good. So here they are. So close. Okay, let's get right up to the next thing. Okay, we have this pineapple razors. Apple pear, pineapple pear. It's pretty cool. Pineapple. Yeah. Let's get started to open these. Guys, you can break them, but I mean I don't, it's better not to, because I mean you can use these pieces. So my little sister can't use these, so I have to bring them to school. These are actually so cool, guys. These are freaking cool. What is that? Like, look at this. What's that white thing? Oh, pretty good. I smelled this and it's pretty good. Here it is. That's basically. Yeah, it is the same. It's not basically, but right up next is the last but not least, we have we have juicy banana erasers. Just the banana one. I'm curious because they do not do pineapple or banana pencils. Yeah, I wanna see how they smell. Nice. Oh, bananas. Cool bananas. Team just opened, which is so good. Like this thing. There's balloons all around it. I have no idea why. There it is. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe and like. Comment down below if you want more of these Smiggle videos. And please subscribe and like for more videos. So guys, peace. And watch this vid. Share this vid with your friends.